Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to climb the tallest, jump the tallest building in the world. Okay, as you see the cliff. Okay, before we jump off the cliff, we're going to need to do some stretches. These stretches are pretty intense. The first one's going to be this, I don't know what's called, though. Whatever. Okay, you're going to go, you're going to shake, Second one's going to be jumping jacks. They're pretty intense. After you do all that, ready for the big thing. Okay, gonna go.
Dude, don't talk. 10 hours later.
Sorry, just a whole bunch of fails. Okay, now we're gonna do the real thing.